Hi, I'm with Badger Basket, here to go through the 18-inch doll travel backpack with the Plush Friend Compartment. Now the first thing you'll see on this backpack on the front is a place to put your doll. You're going to put your doll behind this large strap here. You can tighten these straps where each arm will go out sideways there. Both of the legs will come down here, and there's a strap here to hold your doll into place. There's also a Plush Friend compartment. We can unzip here and put anything inside this compartment. When looking in the backpack, you'll notice the netting pocket here and a solid pocket here to put doll accessories into. You can zip this up, and then you have the backpack straps to wear this to go. Now if you're missing anything or have any damaged parts, please contact Badger Basket as shown in the next clip. Badger Basket thanks you for watching and enjoy.